I think Nikki Haasp and Julie Mancuso used to have a bus, but this year I think I'm the only one, and I think it's a big advantage. You know, if I'm able to come here and train on my bike, and I'm staying, you know, 2 minutes from the lift, then it's pretty convenient. So I think it's an advantage, and I'm lucky that I have this opportunity.
Dom na štirih kolesih si je Lindsey uredila po svojih željah in v njem je vse, kar potrebuje.
Yeah, I have my bike set up and all my training equipment is here. Obviously my Red Bull fridge, and I have my therapy table for therapy after training, and I have a kitchen and two beds, one here and one inside. I have movies, TV, everything set up, so it's like a home. Yeah, I don't have it for every race, but I definitely have it here for Kranjska and also for St. Moritz and then World Cup finals in Schladming. So it's not for all the races, but I think it's an advantage even if you have it for just a few races. Well, I mean, I've seen other athletes do it, and at first I wasn't sure if that was such a good idea because it's a lot of work, but I'm lucky that Red Bull is my sponsor, and so they take care of everything for me. They put the bus here, they set it up, so I don't have to worry about it. And so I just come, I live here, I race, and then I go to the next race. So it's pretty easy for me, and yeah, it's like I said, I think it's a big advantage.
Bivanje ob progi pa nudi številne prednosti tudi v premoru med vožnjama.
Yeah, exactly. I can come here after the first run, I can bike, I can make myself some lunch, and then be ready and refreshed and go out for the second run.
Udobja, ki ga ji ponuja bivalnik, pa ne more koristiti na vseh tekmah.
This year it's difficult because February we're traveling around in Russia and Bulgaria, and so it's almost impossible to have the bus. But I think that if as long as we stay in Central Europe for most of the season, I'll have it next year as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.